Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Core 57S, and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on the square icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. If you want to close only one of it, simply swipe it to the right or to the left. And as you can see, they simply disappear. But if you want to close all of those apps, simply tap on this trash bin icon right here. And as you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's open the recents again. And as you can see here, we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So that's all. This is how to close running apps in your ARCHOS Core 57S. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.